For the first, thanks for watching my video. Hopefully this video becomes a witness and help our fashion people in future. But I'm trying to provide input for development of Steemit and eSteem in Aceh Steemit community. It is important to know what is kind of fashionist character Aceh society do not like to show themselves in video. That's so hard maybe. But in this journey, in this review, I'm very tired. But I pride can meet Aceh Steemit community. Okay, I just say welcome to my article and check out my video below and listen how they respond upon eSteem applications. They speak with their own language, maybe mother language. But you can read the conclusion in my article below. And last, thanks for coming my post, supporting me with your efforts, and follow me at 028. Bye.